Hi guys, thank you for clicking on the video. So in this one, I'll be cooking a healthy and fulfilling breakfast porridge, and this is the green banana oats porridge. 1 green banana to 1 cup of oats. So I have gone ahead and cut the green banana, peel and cut the green banana, and I'm gonna blend that with some water for about 2 minutes to get it into a liquid paste. So try to get it well blended so you don't get any lumps in there. And I'm just going to throw that in to my pot of boiling water that I've had a cinnamon stick and some salt for taste in there. Throw the liquid banana now into that and let that cook for about 3 minutes. You want the banana to cook, and then you want the actual liquid, the banana, to get a little bit slimy or thicken, I should say. So I'm just going to leave that, let that cook somewhat, and then I'll be adding in that cup of oats. You can use more oats depending on if you're cooking, you want more of the porridge, and you could also add more banana. It all depends on how much porridge you're going for. So right here, I'll be adding the oats now. And again, some people prefer their oats porridge a little bit thick, some prefer it a little bit runny. So add as much or less oats as you prefer. I'll let this oats cook now for about 2 to 3 minutes, because oats doesn't really take long to cook, and let that cook with the banana. Adding in some cow's milk, that's maybe about less than 1 cup of cow's milk. You could add almond milk or oats milk for a more healthier way, but for this purpose I'm using just the regular cow's milk. Let that cook for an additional 1 minute, and as you see, the cow's milk made it look a little bit more creamier or wider. And now I'm throwing in some milk, condensed milk, and this will give it a little bit of a sweet taste. I'm not using any sugar. And you gradually add the condensed milk and to your taste. There I have almond essence. I put a tip, maybe about half a teaspoon, and a tip also of vanilla, about half a teaspoon. If you have nutmeg, you could grate some nutmeg into that. Let that infuse, let that sit for maybe less than 1 minute, and your porridge is ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.